Here's another one of the adorable cards we made at April's card class, and I used the Simply Sparkling stamp set for this class, and we made the most adorable cards. Now, we paired this stamp set with the Brights 6x6 Designer Series paper, which is retiring in just a couple of days. And it was so bright and cheerful for all of these cards. It just was fantastic together. So we just stamped the images with the black Memento ink pad, and then for this card you can see that I'm coloring them in with our Blends alcohol-based markers, which I love. Those are my favorite coloring tools that we have. And then I'm going to use the coordinating dies to cut out these shapes, and then we're going to put together this little fun fold. So if you would like the tutorial for the cards that I've made with these with this stamp set for this class, you can grab it in my Made to Create store at madetocreatewithlisa.com. It's an instant download. And I would love to have you for next month's classes. I'm taking registration right now. You can find out all the details for that class at my website under the Events tab at madetocreatewithlisa.com. I do them in person here in Washington State, as well as I mail them all over the United States, and I would love to have you. I love this fun fold. I use it a lot, and it's just really fun. It's fun to have a fold that's just a little bit different and unexpected. Now look how cute this paper is. And one of the things I think I loved most about this card was just this yellow, bright, cheerful color. Look how cute this is coming together with that lemon. So fun. I didn't think that I would love this stamp set as much as I ended up loving it. It was so much fun to use, and everybody had just a great time. And I die cut out that little straw from some of our vellum that is also retiring. And then I put on these gems, which are also retiring. I hope you've loved this card. Thanks so much for following along. I hope that you will love this post and share it with a friend.